Hello dear fans. What are the highest paid professions? When choosing a future profession, young people often think about what the salary will be. There are many different specialties in modern Russia. But how many of them are promising and highly paid? Instructions. Step 1. Perhaps the highest paid workers in Russia are IT specialists or, in other words, IT specialists. This area is developing more and more every year. People employed in the service of modern technology, in the field of programming, as well as the creation of computer games and 3D modeling, receive an average of 150,000 rubles. However, it is not easy to get a job that pays well. Employers require not only your knowledge, skills, and abilities, but also experience in this field. Step 2. Next on the list is the profession of dentist. The private business of dental clinics brings service personnel over 50,000 rubles. The salary of medical workers in these institutions can reach 350,000 rubles or more. It all depends on how many clients make an appointment. This position is also quite difficult to get. First, you will need a medical degree in a narrow profile. Secondly, few employers will hire a person without work experience. Step 3. Employees in the cosmetics industry are in a good financial position. Manicure and pedicure specialists, hairdressers, makeup artists, and stylists can earn over $100,000 a month. Basically, this business is based on the constant desire of women to change their image. This service sector, like dentistry, will always be relevant. Step 4. Chefs in good restaurants receive more than 150,000 rubles. You can simply complete cooking courses if you feel talented. On average, the cost of such courses ranges from 60,000 rubles. Subsequent salaries will fully cover all the initial training costs. Step 5. Highly paid professions in Russia also include the following: lawyer, 150,000 rubles or more, chief accountant, 300,000 rubles or more, landscape designers, 100,000 rubles or more, marketers, 120,000 rubles, psychologists in private institutions, 70,000 rubles, an insurance worker, 80,000 rubles, sales managers, 90,000 rubles. Thanks for watching.